Mold in your air conditioning unit may be why you don't feel well.
The mold's behind the walls or it's somewhere, and some molds don't even spore a lot, like Stachybotrys. When I walk into a building, because I have a nose for it and I'm sensitive to it now, I walk in, I go mold. I turn around and walk out because the HVACs, they build up mold in the coil. Long story, but so it doesn't have to be behind the walls. Oftentimes it is in a HVAC, especially in humid areas. The point is that many people are sick because they're in a moldy home. You know what one of the symptoms are? Nasty weight loss resistance, or all of a sudden they gain weight.